Kondosan.
It was a very hectic day for Athlete Goat. She thought she was almost done, but she still hadn't done half of her tasks.
Oof, this list is so long. I must get half a kilo of lemons, 20 strawberries, flour from the bakery, milk from cows, eggs from chickens, then go to the spice shop and get ingredients for the salad. Athlete, this long list is nothing. You can do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Athlete ran her errands as quickly as she could, getting all the items she needed.
Who was that? Athlete Goat? Is she getting ready for a race again?
Wolf was curious, so he followed Athlete. No matter how well Wolf tried to hide from Athlete, she noticed him.
Oh, I was almost caught.
What's up, Athlete? You seem to be in a hurry today.
Oh, I'm a little busy. Stylish is organizing a party.
It sounds like it's going to be a nice party tonight. Won't you have me for a bit?
I need to go.
Athlete returned home with the items she bought. Her sister, Stylish, was waiting for her.
Where have you been?
Oh, Wolf almost caught me.
Ah, is he coming?
No. I said I was in a hurry and I left.
Come on, let's get started.
The sisters went to the kitchen. Stylish was baking a beautiful fancy cake. After all, a party wouldn't be one without a cake. Athlete wanted to prepare something healthy yet delicious, so she made a lemon salad using fresh greens. Let the goats work. Wolf was at it again. He chunked some salad into his mouth.
Ugh, it's too sour.
Oh, what are you doing here, Wolf?
I came to see if you needed help. Good thing I came because you can't even make a salad. This is too sour.
It will be so if you don't toss it. Let me work. Leave. I have things to do.
Okay, I'm leaving. What a delicious salad you have.
We were almost caught, Stylish.
Yes, almost.
What's wrong with them? All I wanted was a little taste. They don't know how to share. I'll teach them.
As he walked away, Wolf saw the decorated cake from the other window, and he started drooling, of course.
La 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 la.
Wow! Look at that cake! Stylish did a good job baking it. I don't think anybody will notice if I take a little piece.
Stylish noticed Wolf as he was trying to secretly get a piece.
Wolf, you ruined my cake. Shame on you. Leave at once.
No! Shame on you! What could happen if I take a piece?
You can't. The cake needs to be frozen anyway.
What if I get some while it sits there?
No, it needs to cool.
This?
No, it needs to warm.
How about this one?
No. I said no.
Okay, I'm Oh, I burnt my tongue too hot! Mommy!
Wolf got hot pepper among the food instead and ran away. Finally, everything was finished. There was a lot of food on the table and a huge cake in the middle that would make anybody drool. What a feast! But Wolf got angry because he couldn't taste the food.
They'll pay for this. They will see. That goes there, and this goes here. It's done!
Wolf placed Inventor Goat's newest invention, exploding candies, inside all the food and hid behind a tree.
Let's call Wolf now.
Okay, I'll call him now. Wolf! 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 Wolf!
What are they calling me? Hey you! Are you calling me?
Yes, come here!
Happy birthday, Wolf! Happy birthday, Wolf!
Huh? Oh! Are these for me? Really? For me? My dearest friends!
Of course! Despite your misbehavior, we had to celebrate your birthday. You are our only wolf.
Am I right? I'm so handsome too!
But also a little bit sour.
And sometimes hot.
Come on, enjoy now.
The wolf was about to cut the cake, but remembered the exploding candles he had put into the cake. But it was too late.
What's going on?
Well, I wanted to contribute to dinner, so I put a couple of surprises in them.
You naughty wolf. Now you can't eat any of the food.
No, don't worry. It's okay. I still eat it. I never waste food.
Oh, wolf.
There was a tradition in Princess Cinderella's country. School children visit the palace every year and are hosted by the royal family.
I want to host the children on this year's palace tour.
The prince accepted Cinderella's request. Cinderella shared the good news with her friend Pofu.
Pofu, I'm so excited! I will get to host the children in the palace!
That's wonderful! Can I join you?
Of course, Pofu! I couldn't do it without you!
But Sarah and her mother, Witch Rosa, did not take the news well. They're unhappy because they're jealous of Cinderella.
That peasant princess is always in the spotlight. Now she will host the children in the palace.
She will regret this. We'll embarrass her in front of the children.
How are we going to do that?
We'll do some pranks so the kids will tell everyone what a bad hostess she is.
The next day, the children came to the palace to visit.
What lovely flowers. Thank you. Here you go. I had these donuts made for you.
Hi, kids. I'm Pofu. Welcome to our palace.
According to the itinerary, the children will visit the museum of the palace first.
Children, in this museum, you will see valuable artifacts that are part of the palace's history.
Hey, do not enter that museum. There's a ghost in there.
This is Sarah. What is she talking about?
The rumour spread like wildfire, so the children were scared and didn't want to enter the museum.
Oh, there's a ghost!
Who made this up, kids? There is no such thing as ghosts. Don't believe this nonsense.
I'm sure Witch Rosa and her daughter had something to do with it.
Finally, Cinderella was able to convince the children, and they all entered the museum.
These are knight armors from ancient times. These are the paintings of our former kings.
Ghost! Run!
Wait, kids, calm down.
A ghost? Yeah, right. I know what happened.
Look at that ghost!
Sarah, it is not nice to frighten the children.
Incompetent pinhead!
What should I do? That sneaky rabbit stepped on my sheet.
After the museum, they were doing the second part of the tour.
We will now visit the Penguin Lake. It is the most beautiful part of the palace. You will love it.
The children seem to love Cinderella very much.
Stop whining! Wear it.
What is this?
A Halloween mask of the lake monster. And don't make a mistake this time.
Cinderella set out with the kids to go to the Penguin Lake.
I am sure you will like our lake very much.
Kids, do not go to the lake. There's a monster there. The princess is putting you in danger. I am just saying.
When the children heard this, they refused to go to the lake. Cinderella talked to the children, and they understood.
There is no such thing as a lake monster, kids. She made it up.
The children trusted Cinderella, so they all went to the lakeshore.
Isn't it beautiful? Let's take a closer look at the penguins.
Lake monster! Lake monster, run!
But the lake monster was unaware of what awaited her.
Come on, lake monster. I was waiting for you.
Ah, what happened? Where's my mask? Look at the monster!
Funny girl.
you again.
Hi. I played a prank on you kids.
When the tour was over, Cinderella organised a tea party for the children. There were delicious cakes and cookies on the table.
Everything was specially prepared for you kids. I hope you like them.
I love it. Yummy.
Eat your pastries and drink your tea. Beautiful gifts are awaiting.
Hooray! Yay!
Of course, Witch Rosa was devising a wicked plan again.
I'll ruin the tea party. I'll show that foolish princess.
What's your plan here?
Come with me.
They went to a tree with a beehive on it.
What do you think will happen when you throw that beehive in the garden?
The bees will come out and fly towards the sweets. I can already see it.
Well done. Sometimes your mind does work.
Come on, Mother. Push the stick a little more.
I did. Here goes. Stop pulling.
But things did not go as Witch Rosa hoped.
Ah! What's going on? I'm gonna fall.
Bees! Let's run! Quick! Help! Help!
While Cinderella and the children were having fun, opening their gifts, they saw what was happening on the other side of the garden.
Oh, aren't those two Witch Rosa and her daughter? But why are the bees chasing them? God knows what mischief they were up to.
One day, the prince gifted a cute pony to his beloved wife, Cinderella.
Darling, you're too cute. Let your name be Berry.
Pofu, Cinderella's best friend, was also present.
Hello, Berry. I'm Pofu.
Berry was a champion pony. She had won many races, but earned her several prizes. The prince asked Cinderella if she would like to enter Berry in the royal pony race.
Yes, I would love to, but I've never ridden a pony.
Subsequently, the prince hired the country's best riding instructor, and Cinderella started her riding lessons.
Pofu, I really want Berry to win this cup.
You will succeed. I'm sure of that.
The evil witch Rosa and her daughter Sarah were enviously watching Cinderella's riding lessons.
Where did this royal pony race come from?
If she wins, her reputation in the palace will soar. We have to stop her.
But how? Ah, I think I've got it.
What did you get?
You will join the race too, and you'll make sure to win.
But I don't know how to ride, and I don't have a pony either.
If that silly girl can learn, so can you. I'll get you the best pony.
So the witch bought her daughter a black pony. Sarah also came to the track with her instructor.
Hello, Sarah. What a beautiful pony you have. Will you participate in the race too?
Yes, my dear, but I feel sorry for you because you don't stand a chance against me.
Ha ha ha. Let me laugh. Who does she think she is?
We'll see, dear Sarah. May the best rider win.
Sarah failed to get on her pony in the first lesson.
Stop moving, you ugly thing! Don't move! I can't get on! Ouch! You good-for-nothing pony!
This is what will happen to your lovely pony if you misbehave.
Days went by and Cinderella became a master rider after completing her training.
Bravo!
This girl is a fast learner. You can't even get on your pony yet.
But my pony is spoiled, Mother!
No, you are incompetent. There is no such thing as a spoiled pony.
Witch Rosa knew that Sarah could not win against Cinderella.
We have to do something for you to win.
Cinderella approached her pony.
We have a race tomorrow, Barry. That's why you need to eat less. Just that much, okay?
In the evening, Witch Rosa and Sarah stealthily went to Cinderella's stall where her pony was.
I still don't understand what these treats will do.
Get that brain working. Do you think that pony will be able to run tomorrow after eating so much oats?
Now I understand. She won't be able to walk.
Witch Rosa and Sarah left 2 buckets full of treats for Berry.
Come on, goofy pony. You're in luck tonight. You can eat them all.
Why isn't she eating?
Maybe she is afraid of us. Let's watch it over here.
Come on, eat, you pinhead pony. Help! Get this off my head!
The next day, final preparations were made for the race. Cinderella saw the spilled oats and the buckle with Sarah's hairpin stuck in it.
They gave oats to my pony so that she could not run. Well done, Barry. You're so smart. I know you didn't eat. See you at the race.
Be careful. We can expect anything from those 2.
Cinderella and Pofu went to the stalls at the racetrack to look for the witch and her daughter.
Look, there they are. What are you doing?
Are you sure this is going to work?
Of course. When the pony starts running, the saddle will be slippery and Cinderella will fall off that silly pony.
I can just picture it. Very funny.
So she will be out of the race and you will win the Royal Cup.
What are we going to do, Pofu? We should stop them.
They're coming out. Follow them. Do not let them do another mischief.
What about you?
I'll take care of the problem here. Hey, excuse me. May I have a second, please? You put the wrong saddle on the princess's pony. This is for Sarah's pony. It was decided this morning.
The caretaker believed Pofu, so he fastened the greased saddle by the witch to Sarah's pony.
Here goes.
And so the race began. As Cinderella raced, the prince watched excitedly.
When will this girl fall off? Why isn't that stupid saddle coming off? I oiled it really well.
It's my turn now. What are we gonna do?
I bought you the best pony. Get out there and win.
Sarah reluctantly got on her pony and rode to the racetrack.
Come on, run, you dumb pony. Jump off these obstacles. Help! I'm falling!
Oh no! Dang!
Cinderella won the race and was awarded the royal cup.